Addressing getting injured on the job at this edition of The Law and You. The guys that are always safe here in our studio, we take good care of them. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. We like to give you guys sometimes like a spa-like experience.
I tell you what, it's the heat helps the complexion apparently. How about I run into a lady, she says, "You look much skinnier off TV."
I got that too.
That happens. That camera does.
Oh man,
does a little something to you.
Well, I took it as a compliment.
As a compliment.
All right, we'll get to our question tonight, and this involves Scott in Luzerne. He says, "My son was injured at work when a box of frozen food fell on his head. His neck is getting, looks like it's getting worse, and he has a herniated disc. We are not sure if we need a lawyer." What can you tell Scott?
Well, you absolutely do need a lawyer. There's obviously a workers' compensation claim that you're going to have to file. I hope that you already filed it contemporaneous with getting injured, because one of the things that these companies will fight on is if they weren't given proper notice of a claim. So, if there's a time period between when the box fell and struck your son, was it, Dave?
Yep.
Between when the box fell and struck your son, and now it's weeks later, and now you're going to file the notice of the claim, you may have some problems and really run into significant resistance in this litigation from the company, because they're going to say, well, geez, how do we know this actually happened at work? So you really do need to get to a lawyer quickly on this.
Yeah, the notice rules is 120 days, but we tell everybody anytime you're injured at work, report it, fill out a report, get a copy of the report, go to the doctor. Even if it's not, you don't think it's a big injury, you got to do it, because if you don't, that is the #1 defense they raise in these workers' compensation cases, notice. Oh, we didn't get notice. Oh, it happened somewhere else. Do yourself a favor. Any injury at all, report it, go get treated, have a record. You'll win your case.
All right, and if you need help when you get injured on the job, the guys will take care of you. Call them up, check them out online, and don't forget, results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. We'll see you next time, guys.
Thanks, Dave.
Thank you.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.